Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by prepping both files and creating a stable source. First, in Excel, convert the data to a named table or range. This gives Word a consistent reference. Once done, save the workbook and keep it open. In Word, position the cursor where the live data should go. Now choose Insert Object Text from File or use Paste Special. Select Link to File. This first action creates a dynamic connection, so updates flow from Excel into Word without manual retype. Now focus on configuring how the data appears and updates. After copying cells in Excel, in Word pick Paste Special and choose Paste Link as an Excel worksheet object or formatted text. This preserves live behavior. Make sure you resize or crop the object display so the table fits the page. To control updates, go to File Options Advanced and set Update Links on Open or Update Manually. Manual gives you control, while Automatic keeps Word current with Excel changes. Finish by validating the connection and securing it for future edits. Change a value in Excel, save the workbook, and then reopen Word to confirm the linked content refreshed. This proves the chain works. If links fail, open Word's Edit Links dialog to update, change source, or re-establish the link by reinserting the object using the correct named range. A key troubleshooting tip: if links break after moving files, recreate links using the same file path, or use cloud-synced relative paths to maintain
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.